Hey, yes. Let me. Okay, good. So, welcome back, everybody. Good to be here. Arnon is in the house. So, we've got Facebook here, we've got Instagram here. So, I'm looking forward to share with you another Wednesday Words of Wisdom with Arnon. So, let's give everybody a second to connect. Let's give everyone a moment to join us. Yes, I'm looking forward to the session because today I'm going to share with you guys what I believe. I'm going to share with all of you what I believe is one of the things that changed my life. And I only had this insight, I only had this big aha moment recently. And I really want to share it with you because I believe it's one of the reasons why I am successful. I believe it's one of the reasons why I am, a multimillionaire. It's one of the reasons why I am where I am today. And so the topic, good to see all of you. The topic of today is how to make great decisions in business and in life. How to make great decisions in business and in life. And so I want to share with you an insight that I had, like I said, just recently. And I realized that this could potentially change so many people's lives. And also, as usual, I am going to introduce a book to all of you. Some of you will know this book. This book, I'm telling you, is one of the most powerful books you will read. Okay? It's a great book. And this book was actually banned. It was banned. You weren't allowed to read this book. This book wasn't even allowed to be published. And so I'm going to share with you this book in a moment that connects very well to what I want to share with you all today. How to make good decisions, how to make great decisions in business and in life. So let's dive right in. Good to see all of you here. Good to be here with you guys. And so one of the things that I realized a couple of weeks ago, I was sitting here in my office at home and I was thinking to myself, how did I get to where I am today? And then I realized that it's all obviously related to our decisions that we make, right? The decisions we make in life, in business, it's all related to the decisions we make, okay? And I started to realize that a lot of people, the way they make decisions is very one-dimensional. Let me explain. When someone presents you an opportunity and says, listen, there's an opportunity for you to do X, to do Y, or to do Z. A lot of people answer that opportunity, they respond to that opportunity based on who they are and where they are today. Let me say that again. When people are presented an opportunity and they have to make a decision in business or in life, most people make a decision based on who they are today and where they are today. Very one-dimensional. And here's the secret. This was something that blew my mind. I realized this only a couple of weeks ago. And again, I give a lot of credit to this mindset. Subconsciously, I wasn't even aware of this. But it's one of the reasons and one of the ways I believe I've achieved my financial freedom. I've achieved my success. And that is to take a question, take an opportunity, take a decision-making moment and turn it into a four-dimensional answer. Now, let me explain what I mean. Because for some of you, you might be a little bit confused right now. What the fuck is he talking about? Okay, now. Again, when an opportunity shows up, when you get asked to make a decision about life or about business, a lot of people are making a decision based on where they are today and who they are today. And I think that is a big mistake. What you've got to understand is when you have an opportunity in front of you, when you're being asked to make a decision about the direction of your business or the direction of your life, what I would recommend you do is make it multidimensional. What do I mean? Before you answer the question, do I want to do this business? Do I want to grab that opportunity? Do I want to say yes to this or do I want to say no to that? Ask yourself, by saying yes or no, will that benefit me today and who I am today? Will it benefit me in a year from now? Will it benefit me in 3 years from now? And will it benefit me in 5 years from now? You see, we all live 4 lives and probably more, right? I'm just going to keep this simple. We're living the here and now. We're living in 1 year from now. We're living in 3 years from now. And we're living in 5 years from now. And that's why I always say to people, make decisions that your future self will look back and thank you for. That's one of the reasons why I invested in cryptocurrency. That's one of the reasons why I invested in Bitcoin. I went all in 2018 because I realized what I was sitting on. I realized what was going to happen. And I knew that if I invested today in 2018, that my future self would thank me. And guess what? I am thanking my past self for making those decisions. And so again, if you're going to make great decisions in business, if you're going to make good decisions in your life, I'm going to encourage you to stop answering the decisions, stop answering questions one-dimensionally. Okay? Don't just answer a question, oh, should I do this or should I do that? What suits you here, now, today, based on who you currently are. Ask yourself, should I say yes to this? And what will manifest if I do say yes? What could manifest if I say yes to this opportunity in a year from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now? Okay? A lot of people make decisions very, very one-dimensional. They only ask themselves, is it good for me today, right here, right now? And so let me tell you this. Success does not come without some kind of sacrifice. And sometimes you have to sacrifice a little bit today to enjoy the fruit tomorrow. I'll say that again. Success, my friends, does not come with any sacrifices. And sometimes your current self, who you are today, right? Sometimes you need to sacrifice a little bit today so that you can reap the rewards tomorrow. And so every single one of you listening to this, every single one of you watching this, I'm going to encourage you from now, when an opportunity shows up, when opportunity knocks on your door, don't be one-dimensional. I believe it's one of the greatest reasons why I'm successful. Because I've always come from the mindset of give first, and it will come back later. Serve now, it will come back later. Karma has a very interesting and very funny way of working, right? Look, I believe in the universe, I believe in energy, I believe in all that good stuff, right? But I always believe that if you give more than you take, it will, you will be blessed. And so, when I get asked to speak at an event or to come and host an event, or to present at an event. And people say to me, oh, Arnon, but we're not going to pay you, but there's going to be 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 people there. I know if I come from just integrity and kindness, and I just want to serve, I just want to give value, I just want to help people, and I just want to put my energy in the universe, I know maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next week, maybe not next month, maybe not even next year. But I know in some shape, in some form, good will come to me. And so the reason I say this is because a lot of people, again, they make decisions based on who they are right now, where they are today. And that's very short-term thinking. So again, if you're going to make decisions that maybe today you have to sacrifice a little bit, but you know that it will manifest into something great in the future by just giving, just being kind, just be showing up. So don't make decisions just based on who you are today. Think about your future self. Think about yourself in a year, in 3 years, in 5 years. When you answer questions that are so important based on your life, the direction of your life, where your life will go to, and where your business will go to, what your success and wealth and happiness will go to, what that will all look like, think further than today, tomorrow, next week. Okay? So really important to all of you. Make decisions not only based on who you are today, but based on who you want to become in a year, 3 years, and 5 years. Now, as always, I promise you I've got a great book here. I wanna put it forward. This book has been banned. It has been illegal to publish this book for, I believe it was around 70 years, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, around 70 years, this book was not allowed to be published. And it was finally allowed to be published. And I'm holding it here. And some of you will know this book. Some of you will certainly know the author. But I highly recommend you read this book, because this book will be able to put you in your power, or give you at least a different perspective of how you can make decisions, how you can answer questions, right? How you can answer, when I say questions, what I mean is how you can improve your life, right? How to improve your life is a question, right? So this is the book. It's called Outwitting the Devil. Outwitting the Devil. And it's authored actually by Napoleon Hill. And who is Napoleon Hill? Napoleon Hill is the author of Think and Grow Rich, right? So not a lot of people know, but he's actually got another book, and this is the book. It's Outwitting the Devil. So I highly recommend you guys grab this book, pick up this book. It's not the easiest book to find, to be honest. And like I said, for about 70 years, this book was not allowed to be published. So there's some really powerful conversations here. I'm not going to tell you too much, but I highly recommend you read it, because I think it will improve the way you make decisions in your business and in your life. So guys, listen, I hope you enjoyed this. Remember, make decisions from more than one dimension. Don't only be, selfish and say, oh, this is good for me today or bad for me today. Think about what is good for you in a year from now, 3 years from now, and 5 years from now. Okay? Again, just a quick announcement. For those of you who've been asking me, yes, I will be hosting and also speaking at the Global Bitcoin Festival. So if you guys want to learn about Bitcoin, if you want to learn about cryptocurrencies, if you want to learn about all that good stuff and this new wealth creation asset that is taking the world by storm, go to the link in my bio, join the Global Bitcoin Festival, secure your spot. Tickets are free, so you don't need to pay anything. We just want to add value. We want to educate as many people as possible. So if you want to learn more about Bitcoin and crypto, please join us. Aline, good to see you. Paolo, good to see you. Good to see a lot of you guys. And so I want to wish you guys a great day. Have a wonderful week. Make sure you spread this message to people. Tag someone in this video. This video is going to go up soon. And let's see. Let's spread as much light as possible and help as many people as possible. So, Paolo, I'll see you at the Global Bitcoin Festival. Good man. Until next week, same place, same time. I want to wish you all an amazing day. Stay blessed. Stay strong. Stay in your power. Till next week. Ciao.